Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Lots of communication. The reading is about you, only you. Under the deck, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Four of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. I already told you it's about you. You are taking your power back and you want independent. You want to be independent and you want independence, especially financially and emotionally. And you will be. You will be in this energy very, very soon. And financial stability is coming for you and celebration, especially in your work area. In your career, there is celebration is coming. And in your relationship, you are setting healthy boundaries to all. You are not going to open up to anybody very easily. And here someone is coming to offer their love to you, and this person might be looking very, very serious about you. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Empress, Knight of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Yes, you are on your power from recent past. Someone was communicated with you and your wishes are fulfilled. If not, are going to be fulfilled. Already your wishes were fulfilled in past. Wish fulfillment. I think you are giving importance more to you than any relationship. It's more about you. This whole reading right now, it's whole about you. Then present Seven of Wands, King of Swords, and Four of Cups. Yes, there is a missed opportunity. Somewhere you are feeling lonely or missing someone, but it is only temporary. You are very defensive. You are taking your control back. I think you both are very stubborn. You both are equal at every level. What I'm getting here, because King of Swords and Queen of Swords is here, and I think there is no. There is some harsh communication between you and your person. Maybe that's why you are missing them. Maybe there are some issues, some fighting between you and your person. Then future Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and the Empress. See, if they did hurt you, they want to say apology to you. There is text, lots of communication is coming, but you are on your power. They are taking a move towards you, but you are not taking. You are just waiting. You are just sitting and waiting for their call or for the text, and it is coming. So what you are waiting for, it is on the way. There is lots of communication is coming and apology is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Eight of Pentacles, Four of Wands. I think you both could be twin flames. Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. See, I already told you both are equal and you both are made for each other. What I'm getting here. Yes, because King of Swords and Queen of Swords, King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. This time your person really want to work on this relationship. This time they're very, very serious about you. And Four of Wands, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Scorpio. Your person current feelings and their intentions. Ace of Cups, Chariot. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. Yeah, they are coming They are planning to take this relationship to next level. If you are in separation right now, they're missing you. Definitely they want to come forward with you. But there is slow moving energy. But there is lots of communication is coming. And they do love you. Yes. They're really thinking about commitment with you. But there for some there is some delay. But they're wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment. This time they're very, very serious about you, Scorpio. Because 3 of Pentacles with 8 of Pentacles. Definitely they are very, very serious about you. So let's see their intentions. Again, Hierophant, commitment, 9. I think your person is very independent, emotionally and financially. Yeah, in past maybe there are some issues, but your person won't give up on you. This time they're really very, very serious about you. In past maybe there is miscommunication or false communication, but this time they're waiting for right time and they won't give up on you easily. And they really want to offer equal give and take. They want new beginnings if you are in separation. If not, they want to take this relationship to next level. This time your person is really serious about you. I want one clarification card for 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, they are manifesting you and the Magician card. So yes, if they did hurt you in past, now they are very, very sad for what they did to you. They still want rebirth in this connection. If you let them in, definitely there will be reconciliation. It's up to you. Yeah, for some in past, they cheated on you, lied to you, but now they're very serious about you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Okay, yeah, lots of communication is coming. And they will express their love. Right now they're missing you. If you're in separation, they want to make action very soon. And there will be lots of communication. Your phone will ring again. They do love. Yes. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. It's a mutual love. Definitely you also love this person and they also love you. Definitely it's a mutual love. And some new cycles are going to be begin because in past there are some cycles are already ended between you and your person. Definitely a positive sign if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, it is going to be next level. If you are in separation, reconciliation. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Let's see mutual energies. See some major decision making. Yeah, right now maybe you both emotions are running high because there are some issues between both of you. For some, maybe you both are busy with your work. For some, if only one person taking the relationship responsibility, it is becoming hard work for other person. So there is no equal give and take. That's why it was happening. Again, the star with 4 of wands. So definitely there will be some major decision making in this relationship in near future. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I want clarification card for 10 of wands. Yes. So lot of thinking, you both thinking about each other a lot. It is about emotions. So let's see. Your emotions are running high. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I'm feeling sad without you. Free yourself, player. So the messages are, I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I'm feeling sad without you. Free yourself and player. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Scorpio. The answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini energy. So if you're searching for any answers, definitely the answers you need are coming. and the end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn energy. So the end of a tough cycle is going to be approaches very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.